Hello, 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 friends. Good afternoon. Today we are going to start with a spoken class of English. In that, we will study so many kinds of English languages. That is, in various terms, we study the English language. First of all, we come to the point that why we have to study English or why we have to the knowledge of English, है ना? And let us say that okay, this is the picture. Are you visible for this? Yes, everybody is seeing. Yeah. First of all, why we want English? What is the basic need of English? Anyone? Okay, tell me. Okay, let me explain about this. English is a very essential today's life. Nowadays, English language is very much important to everybody because English is a it is like a backbone, we can say. It become a backbone of anything, any business, any school, any college, any institute, we can say any institute, and everywhere. Like a simple in a simple way I can say कि in that in we want English everywhere. Okay, right? So if let's take a first of all we will see how it will process with the spoken classes of English, how it will work, how I will teach you that you can speak fluently English in your own way, right? First of all we have to think, first of all we have to study, we have to motivate why we want English language. Okay, why we want English language? What first of all, there are some tips that I can share with you. uh, English learner, there is a boy in a picture, we can say. He is jumping accent, he is jumping the one to the fourth step directly, right? But without all these steps, without lifting all these behind that steps, we cannot understood, we cannot understand. Okay, English. First of all, we must have listening skills to improve our English language, to improve our what you can say, um, pronunciation, we can say pronunciation. If you really want to, if you really want to improve your pronunciation, then listening skill must be there, listening skill must be there. Okay. What kind of listening skill? uh, you can listen anything, or you whatever you enjoy at listening, like singing, like song, or a debate, we can say, or a seminar, or a heroes. You can watch news channels also to listen how they speak and what kind of wordings they will use, how they make sentences, right? And you can listen also, you can also listen uh, yeah, you can watch a cartoon movies also, है ना? Okay. And next one is vocabulary. Vocabulary is very important. The second step of the English learner, second step to the English learner. Vocabulary is very much needed, because I can we can say, because without vocabulary, these are very essential words. In vocabulary we come to know the meaning, we come to know the wording that we use in a daily basis, right? And third step is pronunciation. I already told you that a listening skill must be, we must have a listening skill of uh, anything. We can like actors interview, we can say, you can listen a actor how they will interview, or a cricketer. Yeah, very much interesting thing that is in cricketer we can say, है ना? To cricketer we can say how they will give interview to the reporter after finishing their match. You can listen him what he's saying, how he's acting, how he's reacting on their questions, है ना? And accent is just um, we can say कि accent is like a language, that like how we will talk about, how we will talk a mother language, we like that only we can speak like that only we can speak our English language also. It is an international language, right?